Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable RAM Plus on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and in the search bar, just search RAM Plus. Now from here, just tap on RAM Plus. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now just select the amount of virtual RAM you want to increase. For an example, we will select 8 gigabytes. Now, once you have selected the amount of virtual RAM you want to increase, just tap on OK. Now, just tap on Restart. Now, it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to increase the virtual RAM on your smartphone. Now, if you open the settings app and if you search RAM Plus, as you can see, we have successfully enabled RAM Plus on our smartphone, and as you can see, we have increased the virtual RAM on our smartphone by 8 gigabytes. And this is how you can enable RAM Plus on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.